Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 5. Today is all about practice. We will use a sample data set to apply everything we have learned so far. Select queries, filtering with where, and sorting with order by. This hands on session will build your confidence before we move into relationships and joins. We will use an employees table with 5 columns: EMBID, name, department, salary, and city. This dataset is simple but realistic and will help us practice queries that mirror real world scenarios. Start with basic select queries. Retrieve all columns using the asterisk or select specific columns like name and department. This helps you get comfortable with the syntax. Next, filter data using where. For example, find employees in the IT department or those based in Mumbai. Filtering lets you focus on the data you need. Try comparison operators. Find employees earning more than 50,000 or those whose salaries fall between 30,000 and 60,000. This is especially useful in HR or finance systems. Use order by to sort results. For example, list employees by salary from highest to lowest, or sort by department and then by name alphabetically. Now, combine everything. Filter employees in finance and sort them by salary descending. Combining where and order by is a powerful way to get meaningful insights. Here are some mini challenges. Try finding HR employees earning more than 40,000, listing IT employees sorted by name, showing distinct cities, and displaying the top 5 highest salaries. Your assignment: create your own employees data set with at least 10 to 15 rows. Write queries to select specific columns, filter by department and salary, and sort by salary and city. Sharing results with peers will help you learn faster. To summarize, today you practiced select, where, and order by using a sample employees data set. You solved many challenges and built confidence. With this foundation, you are ready to explore relationships and join in week 2.